Next to progression, harmonic progression. Form of the terms of harmonic progression: 1 by a, 1 by a plus b, 1 by a plus 2d, 1 by a plus 3d, and so on. Nth term is 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d, and so on. So clearly denominators are in AP. So terms of HP are reciprocals of the terms of AP. So formula for nth term of AP is 1 by nth term of HP equal to 1 by nth term of AP formula. So 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. There is no formula for finding sum of n terms of HP. Still there is no formula. And main single property A1, A2, A3 and so on, An are in HP if and only if 1 by A1, 1 by A2 and so on, 1 by An are in AP. So from this definition, from these terms, clearly this is true. If and only AP implies HP, HP implies AP. Now harmonic mean of n terms is defined as n by sum of the reciprocals. Harmonic mean of n numbers is number of numbers by sum of the reciprocals. Means 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on, 1 by A. Suppose there are two numbers A, B. This harmonic mean HM. Harmonic mean of A, B is 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. By simplify 2AB by A plus B. So harmonic mean of A, B is 2AB by A plus B. Okay. Suppose there are three numbers A, B, C. Their harmonic mean 3 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So this is about definition of harmonic mean. Next, relation among arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. For any set of numbers, these three are in GP. Gm whole square equal to Am into Hm. Am, Gm, Hm are in GP. So of these three values, two values ichi find third value adiyite ee formula vadukochu. So I am proving for two numbers. Gm of two numbers means root AB whole square. Am of two numbers is A plus B by 2. Hm of two numbers is 2AB by A plus B. A plus B cancel, 2 cancel, 3 and LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Next. An inequality among Am, Gm and Hm. For any set of positive numbers, Am greater than or equal to Gm greater than or equal to Hm. Further two cases वस्ते. Positive numbers means equal or unequal. If the numbers are unequal, distinct numbers, then Am strictly greater than Gm strictly greater than Hm. For equal numbers, Am equal to Gm equal to Hm. Thus, for any positive, for any positive numbers, Am greater than or equal to Gm greater than or equal to Hm. Prove this now. Already, still what is some result? Square of Am minus square of Gm equal to A plus B whole square by 4 minus AB we know that gm whole square equal to am into hm. Gm whole square means gm into gm equal to am into hm. This can be expressed as gm by hm equal to am by gm. am greater than or equal to gm means am by gm greater than or equal to 1 means em by hm greater than or equal to 1 implies gm greater than or equal to hm. From these two equations we can say that am greater than or equal to gm greater than or equal to hm. So for any positive numbers this inequality holds. For distinct numbers strictly greater than equal numbers both sides work out. am equal to gm or gm equal to hm or am equal to hm or am equal to gm equal to hm if and only if the numbers are equal. So indirect చాలా సమస్యలు ఇచ్చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ APGP లో ఒక కామన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ n AP లో n arithmetic means are inserted between two numbers a1 a2 and so on an. Then four results they are in AP. Second one, formula for common difference b equal to b minus a by n plus 1. Formula for ortho-arithmetic mean a plus r into b minus a by n plus 1. Formula for sum of n arithmetic means b minus a by n into a plus average of a comma b n into a plus b by b. Already చూసాం కదా. అలాగే సేమ్ GP లో కూడా సేమ్ అలాగే if there exists n harmonic means are inserted between two numbers a comma b, then they are in HB. Formula for D, formula for H1 H2 H3, formula for 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 plus and so on. వాటికి ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి, బట్ there is no need to by heart them and write them. సో మీకు అన్ని మెథడ్స్ లో ఉండే ఫార్ములా చూసుకోండి. సో నేనే ఫాలో అవుతానంటే అది బై హార్ట్ చేయకుండా ఆల్రెడీ ఏపీలో ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అవే ఫార్ములాస్ ని వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఎలాగో జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి, ఒక 50% అర్థమవుతుంది. ప్రాబ్లం చేసినప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ 50% అర్థమవుతుంది. సో మీకు ఎక్కడైనా n harmonic means are inserted between two numbers అని ఇస్తే ఇలా రాసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ జాగ్రత్త ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఇలా రాసుకోండి. These numbers are in HP, then their reciprocals are in AP. So 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2 and so on, 1 by HN, 1 by B. ఇవి HP లో ఉంది. అప్పుడు ఇది AP లో ఉంది. అప్పుడు ఇంక ఇది AP లో ప్రాబ్లం ఇక AP లో అది రాసేసుకుంటాం. ఇది రాసేసరికి ఇది రాస్తుంది A, ఇదేంటి A1, ఇది A2, ఇది AN, ఇది B. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇప్పుడు D కావాలనుకుంటున్నాం. ఫార్ములా D కావాలంటే D ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? B minus A by n plus 1 కదా. B plus ఏముంది ఇక్కడ 1 by 2, A plus 1 by A by n plus 1 as it is. సో అలా D వచ్చేస్తుంది. AR కావాలనుకోండి. AR అంటే మనకి ఏంటి? 1 by HR. AR అంటే 1 by HR. సో మీకు ఎక్కడైనా 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by H3 అలా కావాలంటే 1 by HR కావాలి అంటే AR. AR అంటే ఫార్ములా A plus R into B minus A by n plus 1. A is 1 by A, B is 1 by A, next 1 by A by n plus 1. అలాగే ఎక్కడైనా 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 plus and so on 1 by Hn అవసరం అనుకోండి. ఎక్కడైనా and that is nothing but a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus and so on an. Formula n into a plus b by n is n. In the place of a 1 by a, in the place of b 1 by b by b. Thus we can find d 1 by hr and sum of the reciprocals of harmonic means. So ala formula by heart cheyakunda ekkadaina n harmonic means are inserted between a comma b and iste for reciprocals randi dani bracket ga raasukondi neat ga formulas recall cheskunta substitute cheyanడి అయిపోతుంది. Sum చేసినప్పుడు ఇంకా క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. Okay, so this is about formula concept related theory related to harmonic progression. See problems related to this first one. If a1 a2 and so on an are in HP, then the value of a1 into a2 plus a2 into a3 and so on an minus 1 into a. So AP లో టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇదే మోడల్ లో HP లో వస్తుందని చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ మీకు. సో సి a1 a2 a3 and so on an are in HP means 1 by a1 1 by a2 and so on 1 by an are in AP. AP means difference of consecutive terms same. That means 1 by a2 minus 1 by a1 equal to 1 by a3 minus 1 by a2 equal to and so on 1 by an minus 1 by an minus 1 are equal to d and issue is. So simplify this one first. Simplify a1 minus a2 by a1 into a2 equal to d. By equating first one with d and by simplify. This one implies what is a1 into a2? D by a1 minus a2. a1 into a2 equal to d by a1 minus a2. Sorry, a1 into a2. a1 into a2 equal to a1 minus a2 by d. Similarly, a2 into a3 equal to a2 minus a3 by d and so on an minus 1 into an equal to an minus 1 minus an by d. Therefore required, isn't it? Required is a1 a2 plus a2 a3 plus and so on an minus 1 into an. Means the sum of all these. This one plus and so on this one. So when you cancel a2 cancel, a3 cancel. So required equal to first to a1 dash to an by d. But option there is no d in options. D మధ్యలో assume చేసుకుంటారు. Now I am adding all these equations. This one plus and so on that one. మొత్తం యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి. 1 by a2 minus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 minus 1 by a3 మొత్తం క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే లాస్ట్ వన్. First one equal to number of terms is d. So this is d plus and so on n minus 1 times means n minus 1 into d. So by simplify this one a1 minus an by a1 into an equal to n minus 1 into d. So from this a1 minus an by d, a1 minus an by d can replace with n minus 1 into a1 into a. That's the answer. So ఇక్కడ by adding ఇక్కడ అన్ని యాడ్ చేసాము. ఇక్కడ ఇది అనుకున్న తర్వాత ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసాము. అలా మధ్యలో క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ మీకు. Second one, if H1 comma H2 are two harmonic means between A comma B, then H1 plus H2 by H1 into H2. So now it's Japan already. That is so given that H1 H2 are two harmonic means between A comma B. A B మధ్యలో two harmonic means. మీకు ఏం చెప్పాను వాటి reciprocal రాసుకోమని చెప్పాను. 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by B. ఓకేనా? Now ఇవి HP అయితే ఇవి AB లో. Now required. Clearly required is nothing but 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 like. And 1 by H1 sir. Okay. So event మనకి A, A1, A2, B తో కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. So required is 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2. 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 అంటే A1 plus A2 లేదు. అంటే sum of arithmetic means. Sum of arithmetic means formula n into A plus B by 2. Formula right formula. Therefore n అంటే number of harmonic means between 2 అంటే 2. A plus ఎవరు రాయాలి? 1 by A రాసుకోవాలి. 1 by A plus 1 by B by plus 2 cancel. A plus B by AB answer. N arithmetic means are inserted between two numbers formula n into A plus B by 2. But here A and 1 by A, B and 1 by B. N stand for number of harmonic means, that is 2. See third problem. Geometric mean of two numbers is 6. I am assuming the numbers are A comma B. Geometric mean of two numbers means root of AB equal to 6. Therefore AB equal to 2. So here no need to numbers can also be okay. Geometric mean of two numbers equal to 6, and relation between AM and HM is given. 90 times of AM plus 5 times of HM equal to 9 or 8. Then required is AM. So indirectly we have one relation among AM, GM and HM. GM square equal to AM into HM. Therefore AM into HM equal to 36. So clear, we have two equations in two variables, so AM and HM. So required is AM, so we have to eliminate to HM. HM replaced with 36 by AM in this place. And then get quadratic in the variable AM by factorize two values of AM. Next. Read fourth one. If third term of HP is 7, third term means 1 by A plus 2D. Third term of HP means 1 by third term of AP. 1 by A plus 2D equal to 7. That one implies A plus 2D equal to 1 by 7. And seventh term of HP means 1 by A plus 6D equal to 3. Therefore, A plus 6D equal to 1 by 3. So by solving the these two. Just subtract it. Subtract చేస్తే d value వస్తుంది. Then a value. Then required is the 10th term. 10th term means 1 by a plus 9b. So ఇక్కడ కనుక్కున్న a and b values ఇక్కడ substitute చేస్తే next fifth am hm of two numbers are given gm required. So clear formula gm whole square by using formula gm whole square equal to am into hm required gm. Next sixth one hm of two numbers is 4 and then am equal to a, gm equal to g, and relation between a and g, 2a plus g square equal to 27. Then the numbers are required. Okay. So numbers, first I have issued the required numbers a comma b. hm 4 means 2ab by a plus b equal to 4. G square 2a plus g square can be replaced with am into hm equal to 27. I mean 2a plus a into hm is 4 equal to 27. So therefore a value 6a equal to 27. A equal to 9 by 2. A means a plus b by 2. So a plus b equal to 9. A plus b equal to 9. You can substitute just a into b also. Now we have a plus b and a into b. Can solve or can guess. Okay. Next. See seventh one. If h1, h2 and h20 are 20 harmonic means between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3 there are 20 harmonic means. Now required is h1 plus 2 by h1 minus 2 plus h20 plus 3 by h20 minus 3 equal. So so these are 20 harmonic means are inserted between 2 and 3 and place 1 by 2, 1 by h1, 1 by h2, 1 by h20 and 1 by 3. They are in 80. Because the one person formula is A. Okay, na? This is A1, this is A2, this is A20, this is B. One person formula. Now required. So I am finding required. PS2 mole. So 1 by h1. There are formula for A1, A2, A3, and 1 by h1, 1 by h2, 1 by h3. So again, yes, dividing numerator and denominator with h1. 1 plus 2 by h1 by 1 minus 2 by h1 plus 1 plus 3 by h20 by 1 minus 3 by h20. Okay, now 1 plus 2 into 1 by h1 and A1 है. A1 की formula A plus B minus A by M plus 1. A1 की formula. तो देखिए A1 అంటే केवल स्कोर छोड़ो. A plus तो 1 by 2. B plus तो 1 by 3. So I am writing 1 by h1. 1 by h1 means A1. A1 formula A plus B minus A by M plus 1. So B means 1 by first A means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 by n plus 1. N stand for number of harmonic means 20. N plus 1 by same 1 minus 2 same plus n plus same 1 plus 3 into 1 by h20 and a20 formula a plus 20 into b minus a by n plus 1. Therefore a 1 by 2 plus 20 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 by 21 by 6. Now simplify. కొంచెం simplification కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది. చేయండి. సో నోట్స్ లో ఫుల్ క్లారిటీ చేస్తాను చూసుకోండి సార్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎయిత్ వన్ లో మన ఏపీలో 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఒకటి చెప్పి ఇంకోటి చేయమన్నాను. సో చూడగానే ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 6xy minus 12yz minus 8xz equal to 0. So identity so clear. We have to express this one into the form a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. So clear. 2x whole square 3y whole square plus 4z whole square. This is minus 2x into 3y. Next 3y into 4z minus 2x into 4z. So a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac equal to 0 implies a equal to b equal to c. 2x equal to 3y equal to 4z. Dividing LCM of 2, 3, 4 means 12 means x by 6, y by 4, z by 12 kada. So by so x by 6 equal to y by 4 equal to z by 3. Okay. Therefore, x is to y is to z equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. ఇవి ఏ సీక్వెన్స్ అని అనుకోవాలి. సో ఏపీ లో ఉంటాయా ఉండవు, జీపీలో ఉంటాయా ఉండవు, హెచ్పిలో ఎలా చెక్ చేస్తాం? హెచ్పి కండిషన్ ఏంటి? ఏబిసిఆర్ ఇన్ హెచ్పి బి ఈక్వల్ టు 2ac by a plus c. Therefore 2 into 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3 అంటే 9. 3 ones 3 3s 4 middle one వస్తుంది చూడండి. Therefore they are in HP. అదే రెసిప్రోకల్స్ తీసుకోండి. రెసిప్రోకల్స్ ఏంటి? 1 by 6 1 by 4 1 by 2 చెక్ చేసుకోండి. డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ 2 ఈక్వల్ టు డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ 2 అవుతుంది. అలా ఏంటంటే 6 4 3 ఆర్ ఇన్ HP. సో బై హార్ట్ ABCR in HP B equal to 2AC by A plus C. ABCR in AP 2B equal to A plus C. ABCR in GP B square equal to AC. ఆ రెండు రీచ్ అవుతుంది. స్కూల్లో వస్తే రీచ్ అవుతుంది. HP స్కూల్లో కొందరికి చేసి ఉంటారు, ఫౌండేషన్ కూడా తీసుకుంటారు. సో ABCR in HP if and only second one B equal to 2 into AC by A plus C. From this 9th one advanced problems heavy from 9th one. See 9th one. The value of x into y into z equal to 55 or 343 by 55 according as the series A x y z b form AB or HP. A and B are natural numbers. Then A plus B equal to. So first reading should according to this one AB or HP and If a, x, y, z, b are in AP, then x into y into z equal to 55 తీసుకోవాలి. Or a, x, y, z, b are in HP, then x into y into z equal to 343 by 55 తీసుకోవాలి. By using those two, we have to find the values of a plus b. So first case 1. If a, x, y, z, b are in AP, and the meaning ఏంటి? AP ల మధ్యలో 3 arithmetic means on AP a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d అలా ఉన్నాయంటే ఆ 2 numbers మధ్య ఉన్నాయి arithmetic means ఒకటి చెప్తున్నా కదా ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ AMs. సో ఇదేంటి ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఫస్ట్ arithmetic mean, second arithmetic mean, third arithmetic mean are between a and b. So you want to call it x into y into z what to call. So if these three are in AP, then x into y into z equal to 55 and inside. X into y into z equal to and a1 into a2 into a3 equal to 55. A1 formula a plus b minus a by n plus 1. n అంటే number of harmonic means 3 here. A2 formula a plus 2 into b minus a by 4. A3 formula a plus 3 into b minus a by 4 equal to 55. Implies so 3a plus b 4a minus 2 2a plus 2b అంటే a plus b by 4 by 2 here 4a minus 3 a plus 3b. So by 4 by 2 by 4 అంటే 30 equal to 55. So equation number 1 పక్కన పెట్టండి. So by using first condition 3a plus b, a plus b, a plus 3b by 32 equal to 55. Second case, a, x, y, z, b are in HP. And the reciprocals 1 by a, 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, 1 by b are in AP. And the weighting మనము a1, a2, a3 గా చూడాలి. ఓకేనా? Now x into y into z equal to, in this case x into y into z equal to 343 by 55. So first 1 by x into 1 by y into 1 by z అనుకున్నాను తర్వాత right 1 by x means a1 a1 formula ఇక్కడ చూడు a1 formula a plus b minus a by n plus 1 కదా but here a place లో 1 by a, b place లో 1 by b, a place లో 1 by n తీసుకోవాలి. Therefore I am writing 1 by x. So 1 by a plus 1 by b minus 1 by a, okay, by 4. అలాగే similarly next అలాగే రాసుకుంటే వచ్చేస్తుంది. So I simplify ఈ మొత్తాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేయండి. అలా చేస్తే x into y into z equal to ఏమొస్తుందో చూడండి 4ab into 2ab into again 4ab by 3b plus a plus b, b plus b which is equal to 343 by 52. ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేయండి అప్పుడు 3b plus a plus b, b plus b cancel అయిపోతే ab value వస్తుంది. So given that a and b are integers, so a into b equal to 7 and that is possible only when a equal to 7, b equal to 1 or a equal to 1, b equal to 7. By multiplying first equation and this one, get a into b equal to 7 and given that a and b are natural numbers, product of the natural numbers is 7 is possible only when 7 1 or 1 7. So in any case required a plus b equal to 8. Okay, next 10th one. The largest positive term of HP, whose first two terms are 2 by 5, 12 by 23. So AB lo chesam. What is largest positive term, etc. So first given first two terms means first term 1 by A. 1 by A equal to 2 by 5, second term. 1 by A plus B equal to 12 by 23. From this A equal to 5 by 2. A plus B equal to 23 by 12. By solving these two, D value minus 7 by 12. Just subtract just D value. So D is negative means that is decreasing. So first term positive, second term positive, third term positive, fourth term positive. ఎక్కడో చోట నెగటివ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. అలా నెగటివ్ స్టార్ట్ అయితే కదా మనకు కావాల్సింది లార్జెస్ట్ పాజిటివ్ టర్మ్. అంటే which term is largest positive term. So I am assuming that the term is positive. అంటే condition greater than 0. Tn formula 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D is greater than 0. So A plus 5 by 2, D replaced with minus 7 by 12. Get the value of n. Already two sums there some progressions model. See next 11th one. 11th one. If 9 AMs, 9 HMs are inserted between 2 and 3. Okay. A is any AM and H is corresponding HM. Then A plus 6 by H equal integer triangle. So given that 9 AMs between 2 and 3. Similarly, 9 HMs between 2 and 3. A is any arithmetic mean. H is corresponding HM. And A is A1 and A is A1 then H is H1. A is A3, H is H3. This one. Any AM, any corresponding HM అడిగారంటే ఆన్సర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఈ 1 2 3 4 అయి ఉంటాయి నాకు తెలిసి. కాబట్టి మన ఇష్టం వచ్చింది తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఏ ప్లేస్ లో A1 ఆర్ A2 ఆర్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ A9, H ప్లేస్ లో కరెస్పాండింగ్ 1. సో మన ఇష్టం వచ్చిందంటే A1 తీసుకున్నాను. A1 plus 6 by H1 equal to A1 formula. A1 formula A plus B minus A by n plus 1. Therefore 2 plus 3 minus 2 by 9. N stand for number of arithmetic means 10. Okay. Plus 6 into 1 by H1. Okay now. So 1 by 2, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by Hn, 1 by 3. అంటే ఇది అంటే ఏమన్నా మళ్ళీ A1 ఫార్ములా ఇదే ఫార్ములా ఇదే ఫార్ములా బట్ A ప్లేస్ లో 1 by A, B బట్ A ప్లేస్ లో 1 by 2, B ప్లేస్ లో 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 by n plus 1 means 10. Now simplify. Okay. Next, 12th one. This is more than one answer. If x plus y plus z equal to 15, where a, x, y, z, b are in AB, and indirectly x, y, z are three arithmetic means are inserted between two numbers a, b and indirect గా ఇచ్చేసారు. And 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 5 by 3. When a, x, y, z, b are in HP. Means x, y, z are three harmonic means inserted between a, b and indirect గా ఇచ్చేసారు. Now required gm of a, b etc. So అవన్నీ కావాలంటే a and b values సరిపోతాయి. Two cases. First is what? First case ఏంటి? x, y, z are three arithmetic. So AP అంటే arithmetic means mentioned. First arithmetic mean, second arithmetic mean, third arithmetic mean are inserted between a and b. And x plus y plus z అంటే a1 plus a2 plus a3 ఇచ్చారు. First case. x plus y plus z equal to 15. అంటే ఏంటండి? a1 plus a2 plus a3. a1 a2 a3 equal to 15. So we know that sum of n arithmetic means formula n into a plus b by n means number of arithmetic means the a plus b and a plus b by equal to 15. Therefore 3 ones 3 5s a plus b equal to 10 from first row. Next, x, y, z are in HP. ఇవేంటి h1, h2, h3. అప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాను? రెసిప్రోకల్స్ రాసుకోమన్నాను కదా. 1 by a, 1 by h1, 1 by h2, 1 by h3, 1 by b. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z అవుతుంది. ఈ పక్క. సో మరి 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 1 by h1 plus 1 by h2 plus 1 by h3 అంటే ఇవి ఏపీలో ఉన్నాయి కదా. అంటే మన ఐడియా a1 plus a2 plus a3 అంటే సేమ్ ఫార్ములా, ఇదే ఫార్ములా. బట్ a ప్లేస్ లో 1 by a, b ప్లేస్ లో 1 by b. సో n is 3 1 by a plus 1 by b by 2 equal to and 5 by 2. So from this we can find a plus b by ab. We have a plus b. From this we can find a into b. From a plus b and a into b we can write the values of a and b. Next important model problems related to am greater than or equal to gm greater than or equal to hm. వీటిల్లో 90% am greater than or equal to gm, gm greater than or equal to hm, am greater than or equal to hm. ఈ లెసన్ లో కాకుండా వేరే లెసన్స్ లో ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అలా వాటిలో వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. See 13th one. If a plus b plus c equal to 3, a, b, c are positive, then maximum value of a cube into b square into c square. So a, b, c are positive. So numbers are positive. What is minimum value? What is maximum value? అంటేనే మనకి ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా హింట్ ఇచ్చినట్టు దట్ ఆర్ రిలేటెడ్ టు am greater than or equal to gm greater than or equal to hm. So a cube, a into a into a 3 times b square, b 2 times c square, c 2 times weight ki am greater, so am greater than or equal to gm వాడడం తెలిసిపోతుంది. బట్ weight వాడడం అనేది a 3 times కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ a ఏం చేస్తామంటే a by 3 plus a by 3 plus a by 3 రాసుకుంటాం. b 2 times కాబట్టి b by 2 b by 2 రాసుకుంటాం. c 2 times 3 by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 3. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం క్లియర్ రాస్తున్నాను. ఈ సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం మీకు అర్థమైంది. దీనిలో రాస్తాను. Now I am applying am greater than or equal to gm for these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers. I am applying am greater than or equal arithmetic mean sum of the numbers by number of numbers. So a by 3 plus a by 3 plus a by 3 plus b by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 plus c by 2 by 7 greater than or equal to product to a cube b square c square by 27 into 16 whole power 1 by 7. Then plus 2. Right. This is nothing but 3 and 3 by 7. 3 by 7 greater than or equal to required by 27 16 whole power 1 by 7. So send this 1 by 7 to left side. 3 by 7 whole power 7 into 27 into 16 greater than or equal to required. So required is less than or equal to that point that is the maximum value of required. So no need to simplify. Options alage istar 27 into avadi rendu multiply chestaru 3 by 7 whole power 7 alage istar options. See next similar problem. If reverse problem is if x power 5 into y power 7 equal to k, then the least value of 3x plus 4. In the sum implies product. Ikkademo product implies sum. Same. X power 5 means x repeated 5 times kabatti 3x ni 5 times raskondi. 3x by 5 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 1 2 3 4 5 plus y power 7 ante by 5 7 times raskondi. So I am applying am greater than or equal to gm for these 5 numbers and those 7 numbers. So sum of the numbers by number of numbers greater than or equal to product. మొత్తం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వస్తుంది చూడండి x power 5 y power 7 3 by 5 whole power 5 4 by 7 whole power 7 product of the numbers 4 power 1 by 12. Now required మొత్తం required మొత్తం 3x plus 4y is greater than, so the answer greater than or equal to 12 into answer 12 into 3 by 5 whole power 5 x power 5 y power 7 అంటే k రాసుకున్నాము 4 by 7 whole power 7 whole power 1 by 12 అలాగే ఇస్తారు ఆప్షన్స్ లో. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు am greater than or equal to gm లేట్ క్లాస్ లో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. లేకపోతే hp అయిపోతే నెక్స్ట్ easp next miscellaneous problems. Okay.